Welcome to Dream Cars, the ultimate destination where automotive history, performance, and design come together in perfect harmony. If you have a passion for timeless classics and iconic vehicles that shape the road as we know it today, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a true American legend, the Chevrolet Fleetline. This vehicle represents a beautiful blend of post-war design innovation and smooth cruising capabilities that still captures the imagination of car enthusiasts around the world. The Chevrolet Fleetline made its debut in the early 1940s and continued to charm drivers through the late 1940s and early 1950s. It was part of Chevrolet's lineup during a period when car design took a dramatic leap forward, especially after World War II. With its streamlined fastback body and sleek, flowing lines, the Fleetline stood out as a symbol of motion and modernity. It was produced in two main versions, the Aerosden and the Sportmaster, each appealing to different preferences in style and utility. Under the hood, the Fleetline typically came equipped with a 216 cubic inch inline-six engine, known for its durability and simplicity. This engine was mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a surprisingly smooth driving experience for its time. With a modest horsepower rating of around 90 horsepower, it wasn't a performance powerhouse by today's standards, but it delivered dependable and comfortable transportation for the average American family. It was a car built for the road, capable of handling long drives with ease, and known for its soft ride thanks to its well-tuned suspension setup. One of the standout features of the Chevrolet Fleetline was its fastback design. The sweeping rear roofline not only gave it a distinct and elegant appearance but also contributed to better aerodynamics, which was a growing consideration in the automotive world during that era. The design was complemented by wide chrome bumpers, stylish grilles, and classic white-wall tires, making it a favorite among collectors and custom car builders today. Inside, the Fleetline carried the charm of the 1940s with a well-laid-out dashboard, large steering wheel, and plush bench seats. Materials like chrome and polished metal were used extensively throughout the cabin, giving it a sense of occasion every time you stepped inside. The interior was designed with both driver and passenger comfort in mind, featuring ample space and thoughtful ergonomics for its time. Features were simple but effective, focusing on reliability and ease of use rather than complexity. In terms of practicality, the Fleetline offered a spacious trunk and a roomy back seat, making it suitable for families or long-distance travel. Its solid build quality and mechanical simplicity made it easy to maintain, which helped it gain a strong following both then and now. Enthusiasts today often restore Fleetlines to original condition or customize them into lowriders or hot rods, thanks to their adaptable and striking design. Over the years, the Chevrolet Fleetline has aged gracefully, transforming from a mid-century family car into a beloved classic. It's celebrated not just for its looks, but for what it represents, a post-war America filled with optimism, innovation, and the open road. Whether seen at classic car shows, cruising through city streets, or featured in movies and television, the Fleetline continues to be a visual icon that speaks volumes about automotive artistry and American heritage. If you're fascinated by cars that tell stories through their curves, chrome, and craftsmanship, the Chevrolet Fleetline is one you won't want to miss. At Dream Cars, we bring these legends back to life, celebrating their legacy and exploring their impact on the world of motoring. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the most unforgettable cars ever made.